This video will demonstrate how to calibrate the Biolum Pro using calibration swabs. For Biolum Pro calibration using a calibration swab, it needs to be properly assembled with the accessories first. When performing a negative test, do not press the button on the calibration swab. Insert the calibration swab into the device and press the OK button. Countdown 10 seconds shows negative test value. Please record the result. When testing positive, please press the button turn on the indicator light for 3 seconds and confirm that the swab is turned on. The device will display a positive test value after a countdown of 10 seconds. Please record the result. If the test value is outside the calibration range, please perform the calibration operation. Select Set System and Calibration options in turn. Set the RLU value and confirm to enter the calibration interface. When the system prompts, please put in calibration swab. You can proceed to the next step. Press the power switch on the calibration swab to start the measurement. During the calibration process, please follow the prompts on the instrument screen. Until calibration is completed. Complete the calibration and run the test again. The calibrated value is 337, which is closer to our RLU preset value of 340 and more accurate.